Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin Excel TV. Today, I would like to share some basic features in Excel. On the startup page, there are pre-designed templates where we can download and edit. We just have to click on the template that we want, click on create, and we should obtain the template. All we have to do next is edit accordingly if needed. Of course, if let's say we want to create our own template or workbook, back to file, and we just have to select the blank workbook. The name of the workbook appears on top of the Excel workbook. By default, the name for any Excel workbook or document is Book 1. If we add another new workbook, we should obtain Book 2. Add another one, we obtain Book 3 and so on until we save and rename this workbook. The place that we really work on is called Worksheet. By default, the name of first worksheet is called Sheet 1. If we add another worksheet called Sheet 2 until we rename. On top of this worksheet, there is Excel ribbon. Like any other ribbons, it contains the major commands of Excel, which are grouped into different tabs according to their functions. Like we have font styles, number formats, function library, and many more. Right after the ribbon, we have the name box, where the name of the cell or any object is displayed. As we can see, C4, the name C4. Next to the name box, we have the function bar, which allows us to insert function when clicked, as we can see here. Next to the function bar, we have formula bar, where the place we insert the cell contains. We can type or we can write any formula that we need. And for the cells, it's the place where the column and row meet. If we need more worksheets, we just have to click on the Add button. And we can add new worksheet. Or this can also be done at the cell group. Look for insert and we just have to insert sheet as we can see here. At the bottom part of this worksheet, that is the start of Worksheet Shifting button. We can right click on the Worksheet Shifting button to see all sheets, or we can click on the right button to scroll to the right. Click on the left button to scroll to the left. If we press the right button together with the control key, we can scroll to the last sheet, and we press control left click and we should scroll to the first sheet as we can see here. At the bottom part of this scroll bar, there are few options of page views. We have the normal view, the page layout where we can preview how the document is going to be printed, and also the page break view where we can edit or change the printing area if needed. This can also be done at the View tab, as we can see here, the normal view, the page break preview. Last but not least, the zoom slider, which is next to the page view options. We can zoom in when we press plus, or zoom out when we press minus, or we can slide accordingly to zoom in or zoom out. We have to bear in mind that this option only change the view of the content, but not change the font size, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.